What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with lindsaymoore.com, and what I want to share with you all in this video today is how you can make $1,000 per day online. Now, I did go over a video on yesterday on how you can make $200 per day online by using 3 affiliate programs, right? So if you're watching this, if you're looking for a program that you could possibly promote online to earn income, then you definitely want to check out that video. Or you may fall into like the group of people who already have a business that you want to promote, but you're just not sure how to utilize the internet into your favor in order to earn income. So what I want to share with you all is something that I have been using since I came online back in 2013, and it's actually still yielding me results. And in this video, it's going to basically show you, it's basically a free strategy, okay? Now, the one thing I do want to let you guys know when you go into this is that you have to be consistent. And that's where most people fall off. They fall off because they're not consistent, they don't show up, or they try to do something for maybe like a week or two, and then they stop doing everything because they're not seeing those returns. If you understand this and you keep doing this over and over again, you will start seeing those results. Again, you have to stay consistent with it, all right? So what I want to share with you all is what I call the face tube method. Okay? So with the face tube method, you're essentially going to be using the best of YouTube marketing and Facebook in order to yield those results. Now, the reason why you definitely want to make sure that you're including YouTube into this particular method is because YouTube is by far one of the best ways to reach the audience that you're looking for. And actually when people actually come onto YouTube, they're actually looking for a solution. Okay, so when you see any of my videos or you look at any other popular YouTuber in the internet marketing space, you will see that they do a lot of how-to videos, like tutorial videos, how you can make $1,000 per day, how you can make $100 per day, right? How you can actually build a Shopify store from scratch. You see a lot of those videos, and the reason why you do that, or the reason why we do that, is because, again, people come on to YouTube to find a solution for the problem. So now you're going to have really super targeted people that are actually looking for you and the information that you're going to provide, because you're going to help solve their problem. Okay, so that's the reason why you definitely want to make sure that you're using YouTube. Now, just like I said, you want to make the type of videos you want to make on YouTube is how-to videos, value videos, meaning where you're just providing a lot of value, okay? And the reason why you want to do this, you want to provide so much value. You don't want to make every video that you have just a salesy type of video. You want to provide value, okay? You want to actually provide value before you actually sell, okay? Just provide tons of value. And again, if you scroll down to my my YouTube channel, you'll actually see this, where I just provide a lot of value on how to actually help people solve their problem. So you want to do like value videos. You can also do social proof. So let's say if you're doing e-commerce and you made $10,000 your first month, and you want to do like a video of social proof saying like, hey guys, look at this video. I made $10,000 with my e-commerce store this month, and now I want to share with you how I actually did this. And you can actually kind of go through almost like a case study pretty much, right? So you want to do that. And then also, like I said, with videos, it's just a really great way to get exposure. And you can get a lot of exposure in a short period of time. So if you were to do videos, let's say like like those videos, how to make $100 per day or whatever else. If you look up those type of videos, you'll also see that those type of videos get a lot of views. Some get like over 1 million views, some get over like several hundred thousands of views. And that's one thing that you want to make sure. The reason why a lot of people aren't having as much success with their business is because people don't know who they are. Right? So it's one of your duties to make sure that you get your business, your brand out of out of obscurity, right? And the best way to do that is through YouTube. You can have thousands upon thousands of people looking at you, your brand, your business every single day for free using YouTube. So that's another reason why you want to make sure that you're using it. Now, also when you do videos on YouTube, you want to make videos consistently, okay? My computer's freezing. So you want to do them consistently, right? You can't just do one video and then disappear off the face of the earth for 3 months, right? You have to do a video. If you're not doing a video every single day, do a video every other day, something like that, right? Now, the reason why you want to do that, especially if you have a brand new YouTube channel, you definitely want to start bringing more authority to your channel. And when you start bringing more authority to your channel, YouTube actually recognizes that and actually will probably bump your video up in the search engines. Okay, So you have to make sure that you're doing videos consistently. Do videos consistently and target and do type of videos that people are actually looking for. So again, for the internet marketing space, that's how to make money online, how to make your first $1,000, you know, how to create a Facebook ad, those type of things like that. People are really looking for information like that. So you want to make sure that you're doing that. Now, also, when you have done that, you want to make sure that you are telling people to connect with you on social media. Okay. So some of the things that you want to do are kind of like call to actions. Okay. So at the end of your video, you want to tell people to subscribe to your channel. Tell them to hit the notification bell. So that way now when you're doing videos on YouTube and you upload them, they're going to actually get a alert on their phone that's going to tell them that you just uploaded a video, right? So you want to do that as well. So you want to keep on top of mind by doing that, right? You want to do that, and then you also want to tell people to connect with you on social media. Okay, so now that we're doing this, like you again, tell people to connect with you on social media. Tell people, hey guys, I provide more content and training on Facebook as well, also inside of my Facebook group. So underneath this video, go ahead and click on that link, and it's going to take you to my Facebook. You can join my group, etc., etc. You want to make sure that you do that, right? And the reason why you want to do that, because now you're going to connect, you know, people that follow you on Facebook, like on YouTube, where they're actually seeing your brand, getting value from you, learning from you, and now you're going to bring them over to Facebook, where now you can actually be more social with those people and actually connect with them, right? That's where you're going to start really building those relationships, right? So people will actually find my videos on YouTube, and they'll go through a lot of my videos, and like another thing with videos, they actually are building that relationship with you, right? So my videos are always working for me 24/7. So people are now watching my videos at any time of the day, building that connection with me, and now they're going to come over to my Facebook, and now they can ask me questions directly. They can be a part of my Facebook community, and again, build that relationship and build that rapport, because we understand that building relationships is what's going to generate you more sales, right? So think about it. If you have ever been in like network marketing or whatever, and they always tell you, you know, when you join, make that list of like a 50 or 100 people, like, you know, the mailman, your mom, your sister, and all these certain people like that, right? The reason why they tell you this is because you already have a relationship built with those people, right? So it's going to make the sale that more easier, okay? And it's going to be the same thing here. You want to make sure that you're building that rapport, right? So now that you have done that, and now they're on Facebook, what you want to do is you want to do almost pretty much the same thing that you were doing on YouTube, right? You want to provide value, right? Provide a lot of value, teach a little something to your audience, right? You also want to network daily with your newsfeed. So now when people have connected with you on Facebook, make sure that you're actually going through your newsfeed and either just leaving a comment here, liking a post, sharing a post, or whatever the case may be. This is going to be really huge, because if you're on Facebook and you're not networking with your friends list, people just kind of see you as selfish, right? If you want people to reciprocate, you know, liking your comments, liking your posts, watching your live streams or whatever, then you must do the same for the people that you are connected with. So make sure that you are networking daily. And you can just do this with like 15 minutes out of the day. 15 minutes out of the day, you can actually network with your newsfeed. I actually use a software that actually will go and like posts automatically on my Facebook, right? So you want to make sure that you're doing that. You also want to show some of your lifestyle, right? And what I mean by this, you don't have to wait till you go on some huge trip, some grandiose trip in order to show your lifestyle. Even if you're just going to the beach with your family on a Wednesday, right? Or you're just hanging out with your family or whatever, make sure you take pictures of that, and like, you know, show that on your social media, right? You want to give a little bit of more diverse type of posting on Facebook, because again, Facebook is a social media platform, right? Not everybody wants to hear about your business 24/7. So you have to make sure that you're varying up those posts. So you want to do that. Also share something about your life, right? And this can be where you can just tell a little bit of your story. Like one of my stories that I tell people is how I made that transition from leaving my 9-to-5 job to working full-time from home. That's something else that you can kind of share, you know, so people can actually start building that relationship with you. Now, when you are doing this, so now when people find you on YouTube and they come onto your social media on Facebook and they start to see your posting, your interactions with people, they're actually going to see that, again, that activity is really good on Facebook. So now they even want to connect with you even more. So by the time people have watched a few of my videos on YouTube, they'll come over to Facebook, see my activity over there, and by the time they reach Facebook, they're already sold. They're already sold on whatever it is that I am promoting. I get tons of inboxes each day. People trying to figure out how much my private coaching is, how they can get started. Like I said, by the time they reach Facebook, they're already sold. Okay, so that's the reason why you want to implement these two things into your daily marketing, and that's why I call it the phase 2 method. You have to be consistent on both of these platforms in order for it to work, and it's very simple to do. Again, just make one video, upload it to YouTube, provide a lot of value. Like I said, make sure you do all that, and then make sure you tell people to connect with you on Facebook. Right? And you want to put all your affiliate links, your social media links underneath each video. And now when they come over to Facebook, and now they're seeing your posts, they're seeing your lifestyle, they're seeing you, teaching people, or basically providing value. You're sharing sharing stories about your life. They're going to feel even more comfortable with you because they have built that relationship with you. And all they want to do at that point is now take out their credit card and buy whatever it is that you're selling. Okay, and again, this is a really simple way to actually sell. You're not even it's not even no type of hard selling when it comes with this, because again, you have done the work beforehand just to build that value, build that rapport, build that relationship, and now the sale is going to be that much easier, right? So again, no matter what business you are promoting, if you follow this right here, if you follow the phase 2 method, you will start seeing an increase in the sales for your business. But again, you have to make sure that you are doing it every single day. If you fall off, then it's going to show in your results. Okay? It's really simple to do, guys. Very, very simple to do. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also hit the notification bell so you can actually get notifications to your phone when I do more videos like this, guys. Okay? So make sure you do those few things, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.